Hello guys, you are again welcome to this fourth part of this video lecture. In the last lecture, we got the sales volume. We got the sales volume, the number of transactions, the unique users for each collection. So we can clearly see the most what's it called? The most popular collection from this query. Okay, so we've answered this one, two, three, four questions. So then the next thing we want to do is we want to start putting our queries, because this doesn't make sense. So we are going to start putting it on a dashboard, so it looks like this. Okay, so it looks like this. Can you see how beautiful it is? Okay, so we're going to put it on a dashboard and it looks like this. Maybe we'll have another class where we talk about basically visualizations and dashboards. Okay, so basically what I want you to do is I'll put a link to this to my finished dashboard, so you can go check it out. Click on it, any queries you want, and see how I got the query. Okay, you can click on it. When you click on it, you can see what I did, and it's going to give you the results about the queries I used. Okay, when you click on it, you can see it tells you what I did. Okay, so you can actually apply it too. So this is our last. We're going to start from here. So we want to put it in a nice format, so we see what exactly is happening. So what do we do? Click on visualization. What visualization do we want to use? Let's use a pie chart, so we see the distributions. It's loading up, so you can see the pie chart has loaded up. Okay, so what we can do is you can choose to hide this, or you leave it. When you click on it, you hide the legend. Okay, when you click on it, you hide the legend, or you can leave it. You can show data labels. Okay, you can see 60 again. Go to sales volume, go here, go to label format. Let's format this so it's readable. Okay, you can see Art Cobbler generated 49.1 million, and they have a market out of the top 10. They have a market share of 26%. Okay, so this is for sales collection by sales volume. Collection by sales volume. So we can put another pie chart. We can change it to number of transaction. Okay, we can see the number of transaction. KPR had the highest transaction by popularity by number of transaction. KPR tops by 51%, followed by other did for other side, followed by art gobblers. So you can still do the same thing again for users. Okay, you click on unique users, format it again. So KPR still tops again, so we put it like this. Okay, what is next? So you give it a title. You can see something like popular collection by USD by volume. Okay, and you click on this to add to your dashboard. So you can do the same thing for this one as well. Popular collection by transactions. Okay, so that is it. So you can do again for this one the same thing. Popular transactions by users. Okay, so you can see it's properly formatted, so you can go ahead and put it on your dashboard. How do you put it on your dashboard? For example, when we run this query, so this is, for example, this is what we want. Okay, when you click on add to dashboard, it brings out the list of all your dashboard. You select the dashboard you want and you click done, and it automatically adds it to your dashboard. Okay, so that is basically how we do it. So this is for pie chart. Let's do about the first query we wrote. Let's check it out. Okay, this is what we got, right? Okay, let me remove this. Let's run it again. So this is the first query we ran. So we're going to be patient for it to run. So I will also show you how to add it as a single unit like this. Okay, so you have something like this you can put on your dashboard. So our code is running. So guys, our query is done running. So we have something like this. So again, what I can do is I can say add visualization. Okay, I can click on add visualization. I select counter. Okay, so I can call this total volume. Prefix, I add a dollar sign. Okay, I can again put another visualization. Instead of selecting volume USD, let's select, I can say total users Blur NFT marketplace. Okay, or I can just make it on Blur. Okay, whatever you want. I can do again for the third one. Still counter, I'm going to use users total users Blur. Amazing. So that is basically how it works. Okay, so when I click on add to dashboard, I add it to my dashboard. So I think in this video, in this lectures, we've covered about the Blur marketplace. So this is what I want you to do. The task I want you to do is apply everything you have done. But we've done about Blur, so I want you to do this thing we've done, but again do another one for OpenSea marketplace using the same formula. I showed you how to get the open marketplace data. Okay, follow the exact same process we followed in this lecture series. Okay, to refresh your mind, you can go to Dun V2, go to spell, search for OpenSea or whatever other platforms you want to use. OpenSea project, you now start. So it can be OpenSea or any other NFT marketplace. You can use OpenSea or any other NFT marketplace you want, like explore, do things out of the ordinary. Okay, so that is basically how it works. Now I want to show you one few trick. So if you want your query to appear like this, okay, so you can do the OpenSea marketplace and the Blur marketplace in the same query. So you have to use this, what we call union all. Union all is simply used to join two queries in one, like what I did here. So for example, and I'm also going to show you how I was able to create this new column that I called Blur marketplace. So go back to your query. So this is how I did it. Just put in apostrophe the name you want to give it. Okay, if I want to add another trade, maybe from I would use union all. Okay, I put the same thing I want to get. If I want to get the same value for another marketplace, I can call this this is just a demo. I can call this Dunes marketplace. Okay, this is not right. This is not right. So this IE6 is, I'm dividing this by 6, so it's going to give 1 2 3. So let's run it and see what it's going to give us. So I'm going to just get something like, I'm going to 1 2 3 1 2 3. It's going to give me 254. It's going to cut out all this million because I'm dividing it by 6. Okay, if you have any question, please drop it on, tag me. Like I say, apply everything you've learned to NFT marketplace. Clearly display your finding in a dashboard and share it on Twitter. Tag me as you're sharing. Tag Donato. I'm Donato Springs. You can tag Dune Analytics. You can tag also Metric DAO. This is how they encourage you to keep building. Keep building. People will review your work. They will give you feedback. It's about community, guys. So this is the finished product of mine. So you can see my blog marketplace. So this is the information. OpenSea marketplace. This is the information. So you can see my NFT. I'm comparing by collect. I say you should compare by collection, right? I say you should compare. You can see. Can you see what happened here? So that's how you do too. You can do it in at separate queries, but I'm saying if you want to do it on the same place. So okay, what we did is we did this one by popular collection. I also want you to do the popular collection. I want you to do get also by, I think we did in this by sales volume. I also want you to do by transactions. I also want you to do by users. Okay, so you can have something like this. So you can compare popular collections on blog, popular collections on OpenSea. So you can see this one is by volume, by transaction. This one is by users. So you can see how everything is readable and audible. So you can see the market share. This is that pie chart that you did for the three collections that you review. Okay, so guys, I hope if you have any question, share it on Twitter, tag me, and I'll do my best to answer. I'll find some time for us to do a live Q&A where we do dashboard reviews and the rest of it. Okay, see you next time. See you next week on another solving bounty questions.